Hello, everybody. My name is Jakub Graczyk, and I'm founder and CEO of Soundmate, the company which is making selective laser sintering 3D printer. And from this place, I would like to say thank you to World of Photonics to give us opportunity to be here. And this will be a short presentation of what we do and what is our product. This is how we started. This small thing inside of this glass bottle is first thing that we sintered. It was foundry sand, sintered about 2 years ago. We did it because me and my colleague Thomas, who is with us today, were really deep in FDM printing technologies, and we wanted to go one step further, and we tried to look for another opportunities, and we found that the foundry sand, it's really good to sinter, material for sintering, and we did it only on putting the layers by hand on laser marking machine. And these are Soundmate facts. These facts are about our company. We are a really young company because we have started barely 1 year ago, and we were found in June 2014, and then we start from gathering right people to achieve that goal, what is 3D printing, as well as 3D printer. After half a year, we had our first prototype, which of course didn't work because of some issues, and then we get first successfully sintered 3D object from our software, our dedicated software, which was developed by ourselves mostly. Then we implement a counter roller for spreading the powder. This was a really big milestone for our machine, and since then we've made the second prototype, which we called LS1. LS is from laser sintering, and after that, in about 3 months, we have first sold prints, and there were a few articles all around the internet about Soundmate. And 2 weeks ago, we for the first time showed our machine to the public, and now we are here. We are one of the top 3 finalists on Laser World of Photonics. And a short overview about our team, and I think all of them, except this guy, Mr. Zbigniew Malaga, who is responsible for our finance, and he secures us to don't spend too much. And all of them that are in here, they're on our stage up there, and you can talk with them about our process if you want. You are really invited up there. And what is it, laser sintering, and why laser sintering? And this is the short picture how laser sintering works. Like we have a powdered material which is spread by the counter roller from left to right or right to left, and then laser beam is scanning the field, and we get 3D dimension physical object ready after several of layers. Why laser sintering? Because laser sintering gives you opportunity to make parts in free-form fabrication model, which means that you don't have to put support structures for your model. You don't have to put them into the machine in a specific way. You just put them into the machine, with the program, and then just print. And also you can use variety of materials. For example, in our 3D printer, which stays up there are at least 4. Also, it's 10 times faster than FDM 3D printers. Of course, you can use end part. You can produce end parts from this technology, and most important for us, our lasers are cool. Yeah, that's why we are doing this technology. And this is our 3D printer, and quick facts about, and technical data about it. We employ 40 watt CO2 laser to sinter the powder. We also using high-speed galvanometer scanning head. Our colleague before mentioned about the Syntratec company, which is based nearby, and they are using gantry system, and we are using galvanometer. That's the main difference between our technologies. And our building volume it's 150 per 150 per 150 millimeters. We also employ high-quality air sensor to control the temperature on our building platform. And we also had heated bed and powder spreading system. It's about counter roller. Also, of course, we have the powder module is removable from the machine, and our build speed is up to 14 millimeters per hour. Mostly what we do on our 3D printer is we are printing with sand. Sand for foundry industry. We are doing sand molds like this one with complicated and complex shapes inside of it. Also we employed it to print complex cores, small volumes, complex cores, and also we can do molds with negative overhangs, what can be seen up here. Another material is nylon-based mix, and we can produce with this material physical models, quite rigid, quite robust models. The models are flexible, should be flexible, yeah. Okay. It can be used also for design and architectural purposes, for prototype samples and medical applications. And another material is quite interesting material because it's a wax for investment casting purposes. It can be used for precise casting and small detailed models made from metal. Another type of wax, it's a cheap way to get a physical object, and we are printing the models for demonstration with this material, and also it has, like for SLS technology, it has good quality surface. And now what we are playing with, this is PLA material, which is very interesting for us because we want to do bone scaffolds for tissue engineering. We are testing this with a few universities in Poland, and I think this will be our goal for the future. And what's our customers' benefits who use our machine? This machine is, we believe, one of the best price in B2B laser sintering 3D printers. Also, it can be used with variety of materials, and even more materials will come soon because we are working now for at least about. We are developing for more materials. I think they will be in our offer in the end of the year. And our system is open. What does it mean? We put no limitation on machine. Our client gets fully open software, so he can choose the best parameters for his purposes, like scaling speed or the laser power. For our machine, there is no additional software needed. We are working on STL files, and most of our materials are fully reusable. And this is one of the case study of our 3D printer. These two bottles were printed in 2.5 hours each from our nylon-based material. And this is quite this is short review of our customer. Who said that he was feeling like he was holding almost the end part. And another case study, this is the mold which was printed on our 3D printer, and this is the cast, what we've done with this mold. And we achieved that in less than 8 hours. So it's a very fast way to get metal parts, metal prototypes in a very short time. And one of our colleagues, he is really in computer games. He is playing The Witcher, Wild Hunt, and with this occasion he made the sun molds with the reverse of Witcher medallion, and then we cast some Witcher medallions. And our market, we want to sell our device to, first of all, to foundries, small foundries for prototypes and for small metal parts, and of course for laboratories and for companies which are working with automotive industry. In the future we want to increase our sell ability by cooperating with new resellers. We want to start production line in Zembrzyce in Poland. In 3 years we want to gain 5% from laser sintering 3D printer markets. I think we will do this. I'm pretty sure about this. And we have to get a closer look on bioprinting, which was mentioned before. And we want to find a global partner in additive manufacturing industry. And that's all for now. Thank you for listening. And if you want to take a closer look on our device, it's just a few steps ahead. Have any question? Thank you. Any questions?
I have a question.
Yes.
Is there a direct competitor? Like, is there anyone else producing a similar laser sintering device, or are you the only ones?
Yes, there are quite few, like Sintratec, which was mentioned before, but they are doing it directly from, they're printing from nylon, P11 and P12, and our biggest competitor is Voxeljet, who is also doing sand molds, but they are doing really big machines. Our machines is quite small, and we see our niche up there.
Sounds great. Thank you
Thanks.
very much.